Take me on. Hello, the reason why I'm singing Take Me Alone in the Forest is, well, again, putting out the trail camera around the beehive, and I had to walk the last, say, 200 meters to get here because my mom's little city car is not really made for this type of environment, and I am alone here. It's quite windy and rainy, so my footsteps are not that loud, and this is a hive that has just recently, a couple of days ago, maybe been visited by a bear. I'll show you some of their doings. So the bear has just tried to dig under and around this electric fence in order to get at the hives. And there's what remains of one of these honey, whatever they're called. But so yeah, just singing Take On Me Alone in the Forest in order to keep bears aware that I am here. Please don't come at the same time. Good going. Biologist work.